In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a camshaft position sensor on your Ford Focus. Let's get started. Remove the connector for the camshaft position sensor. On the bottom, you'll find a lock tab. Press on that tab, pull straight back, and remove the connector. Using an 8mm socket, we're going to remove the bolt. Remove the bolt, wiggle the sensor back and forth, and lift straight up, and remove the sensor. Install the new sensor. Make sure it's fully seated. Line up the holes, and install your bolt. Snug it down. The torque spec Ford gives for this is 15 foot-pounds. I don't think that this bolt can take it, so we're going to put it at 9 to 10 foot-pounds. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.